how to create AI videos for free, no experience needed. Just want to create amazing videos without showing your face or spending money. In this video, I'll show you how to make AI videos for free step by step. No experience needed. Step 1. Choose a script generator. First, you need a script. The easiest way is to use ChatGPT. Just type your topic and it will write a professional script for your video. Step 2. Generate AI voice. Turn your text into natural voice using 11 Labs free plan or plate. Step 3. Create visuals. Now, create visuals how-tos like Pictory and Runway ML. Let you turn text into video scenes. Just paste your script and choose a style. Step 4. Add talking avatar optional. If you want the talking presenter, use HeyGen. Upload your script and pick an avatar. Boom! Your AI presenter is ready. Step 5. Edit and export. Finally, edit everything in CapCut or Canva for free and export your video. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more AI tips and tutorials.